Welcome back to Health and Technology TV, where wellness meets real life. Today's topic is something simple, something ancient, and surprisingly powerful: feeding your partner. Yes, we're getting romantic, because feeding the person you love isn't just sweet, it's science-backed bonding. We'll unpack what's happening in the brain, in the body, and in the relationship, and why your next date night might be best served at your kitchen table. If this sounds like your kind of love language, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos on human connection and everyday health. Food fuels the body, but it also signals care, stability, and intimacy, especially in relationships. In long-term partnerships like marriage, routines around food aren't just chores, they're rituals. And when you take time to cook or prepare something specifically for your spouse, you're sending a very deep, very clear message. I'm thinking about you, I want to nourish you, you matter. Feeding someone, especially with eye contact, warmth, or touch, triggers a neurochemical response. The brain releases oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. It's the same chemical released during hugs, cuddles, and even childbirth. In couples, this can mean reduced stress, increased emotional closeness, higher levels of trust, and greater relationship satisfaction. Want to boost your oxytocin levels naturally? Cook dinner for your spouse this week. Then come back and tell us how it felt in the comments. Even the act of being fed lights up reward centers in the brain. It connects to memories of being nurtured, making feeding between adults feel unusually personal. For many men, especially those raised to be providers, being on the receiving end of nurturing can be deeply meaningful, even if they don't say it out loud. Feeding your husband isn't about serving, it's about connecting. Have you ever felt more bonded after sharing a meal you made with love? Drop a heart in the comments. You don't have to be a chef. Here's what matters. Choose something he loves, plate it with intention, eat together without screens, and feed him a bite, even once. That playful vulnerability is part of the magic. Want 3 romantic recipes with health benefits? Type love in the comments and we'll send you our free PDF. Try setting a shared meal reminder, sending a midday "I made your favorite" message, using a shared grocery list app, or recording a short video message while cooking. If you've used tech to bring a little love into your daily routine, tell us what worked in the comments. Not everyone grew up with positive food experiences. Here's how to navigate. Talk about what food means to you. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for connection. Let him cook for you sometimes and celebrate effort, not results. The key is not performance, it's presence. Love is a series of behaviors that build trust. Something as small as making breakfast or saving the last bite matters. The human brain remembers these gestures and stacks them as a pattern of love. If this video made you think about how you show love through food, give it a thumbs up. Share this with someone who believes in love through the little things. Subscribe for more videos on wellness, intimacy, and connection. Got a love story, dinner fail, or recipe that always makes them smile? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, stay intentional, stay connected, and keep watching Health and Technology TV.